Hey guys, hope you had a great start in 2020. As a lot of people making New Year's resolutions and setting up the goals, I decided this year to implement one of the goals that I already had, and this is to create a passive income stream. How I will do it? I will do it with a dividend investment. For those of you who still don't know what dividend investment is, it's investing in the companies that on a usual basis, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually, pay out dividends. So the goal for this would be to create a portfolio of well-established companies with a good track record of dividend increase and dividend growth over the last years. So in the future, we will have a portfolio with a constant dividend payments over the months. How does the dividend investment looks in practice? Let's take a look on a Coca-Cola. The current stock price is $55.53, and on annual basis they pay $1.6, and based on this the annual dividend is 2.88%. So does dividend investment makes a sense with such small yields? Well, don't forget that the Coca-Cola has been increasing their dividends over the history. And if you invested in 2006, your dividend yield should already be much higher than the current dividend yield. Let's take a look on some numbers. So let's say Coca-Cola is paying 40 cents per month with the annual payout of $1.6, and current stock price is 55.53. So the dividend yield is 2.88%. Now, in the future, the company will increase its dividends, let's say to 41 cents per quarter. And we can see that the dividend yield is already 2.95, taking into account that the stock price is the same. So if you invest right now into Coca-Cola at $55.53, and in the future the company will be increasing its dividend payouts, you will see that your dividend yield will increase. So for us, this 55.53 at this moment is called cost basis. And in the future, as they will increase the dividend payouts, this dividend yield will be yield on cost. So as you can see, as the companies increasing their quarterly and annual dividends, and with your stable cost basis, your yield on cost or dividend yield will increase over the years. So dividend investment is not a gambling. This is not that you can earn a lot of money really quickly. This is a long-term process of investing. Now, why I decided to start with a dividend investment only now, and I haven't been doing this for the last few years, if it really matters to keep our cost basis low. Well, I'm from Europe, and unfortunately in Europe we don't have Robinhood, we don't have M1 Finance, and all our standard brokers, they're quite costly if I want to invest small portions on a monthly basis. And only last year, one of the players on the market, Revolut, they launched a stock trading with the free commissions. For those of you who don't know Revolut, Revolut is a UK fintech company, and they started as an alternative to the banks in Europe because they have one of the best currency exchange rates. I've been using Revolut for the last few years, and it's quite handy when you're traveling from country to country that doesn't have the same currency, as you actually can save a lot on the fees. Just to give you an idea how it works with the Revolut, they have different plans, standard, premium, and metal. Standard is free, premium is €8 per month, metal is €14 per month. And they announced commission-free stock trading. So for the users on a standard plan, they can do 3 commission-free trades per month. With the premium, they can do 8 commission-free trades per month, and for a metal, it's unlimited. Of course, the standard and premium users, they can do much more trades, but for every trade, every additional trade, they need to pay £1. As I already been a user of Revolut and they announced a commission-free stock trading, I decided to give it a try, and go on with implementation of my goal to create a passive income stream. I've been investing since October last year, and to the moment, I invested in the stocks of 11 companies in a total amount of 2,700. These 11 companies, how much dividends they already brought me, and what I'm expected to receive next year. Up to the moment, I already received $5.58 from 5 companies, and for the next year, with the current portfolio, it's projected to bring me $57.72. The current yield on cost is 2.13%. This is quite low if you would consider what are the dividend yields of the companies. Well, why is it? Because in Europe, we as well have a 30% withholding tax on the dividends from the US companies. So you would see that the weighted average dividend yield for this portfolio is 2.95%. And actually, I'm receiving only 2.13. Well, that's a bummer. What can we do? At the moment, Revolut allows to invest only in the US market. If in the future they will consider some European countries, European stock exchanges, we'll see to that. But for the moment, we will work on the compounding our interest for the future and increasing our yield on cost. So what are my goals for 2020? I'm planning to increase my exposure to other companies, well-established companies that pays dividends with a good track of dividend increase over the last years. I'm planning to invest on average $1,500 per month in order to increase this portfolio and in order to keep it constant. I don't want to time the market. It's impossible to predict when will be the low and when will be the high. So I'm planning to invest on a usual basis, considering from the best options that are right now on the market. If you want to follow my journey, feel free to subscribe to this channel and see you next time.